Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to create multiple tasks from the ticket form. So let's see about that. You can see here module Dev Task Helpdesk. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and see here this allow helpdesk task. Select here, let's save. Now go to Helpdesk app, go to tickets, go to anyone and see here this button for create task. Now click on display here ticket number, select project like internal, milestone, text is architecture and deadline is 15 August. Let's save. So see here your task is successfully created. Display here all details and also display your created task in ticket number 1 is attached here. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.